All right, let's install the animated transitions. So first thing you want to do is actually go to an incognito window and open your website there. The reason is that once you are logged in to your admin and you're like in this view, then the transitions will not work both ways. So you always want to check it like this. So use another browser like Safari or Firefox, or just open an incognito window. Perfect. Here we can see that the transitions are not installed, and this is how we do it. So you go to settings, advanced here in the bottom, and code injection right here. And here to the header part, the first field, we will copy the plugin code. So I'm gonna copy it here, copy it to clipboard, and then I'm just gonna paste that in and click save. Now once we refresh this, we have the transitions working. So it's just the one copy paste that's needed, and then you're set. Now I'm gonna show you how to do a little bit of tweaks, because you probably want to tailor this to be unique to your website. So here are the things we can edit. We have the load in animation and load out animation, and we have like a duration for both. 600 means 0.6 seconds, so 600 milliseconds. All right, so now we're using the fade in and fade out, and it's just a fade in and fade out. This is actually my favorite because it's so subtle and elegant, but sometimes you want to turn it up a notch. So I'm gonna close this thing here and go here to the tweaks. So how about we try the fade in up small. So here were the fade up in animation and up out animation. So there are the small, normal, and large ones. So just make sure that you have a load in animation and you have a load out animation. You can of course mix and match, but they work best when you choose kind of combination. So let's take the load in animation to be this one. Okay, so going here, we see the load in animation. So I'm gonna remove that and add a different load in animation to be the fade in up small. And for the load out animation, I'm gonna do fade out down small. Actually, fade out down and small. So I'm gonna get rid of this and use this one. So I'm using up and down, and I'm gonna show you why that works pretty nicely. So refresh. So as you can see, it's kind of nice that it goes down and up. So if these both would be up, for example, so maybe if I change the load out animation to be up as well, then, well, actually works a lot better than I thought it would. So all these combinations can work quite well. You can change it to a larger one, so you can always just go here to the list and copy paste the full thing, but you can also change the SM to LG. So maybe we change the small to large and small to large here, and we check how does it look like. It's just a lot bigger animation, more intense. And then there's the medium version as well. Okay, one more thing we're gonna take a look at, and that is we have the overlay option here. So I'm just gonna use this one. It has both load in animation and load out animation, so we can just copy both of them here, load in and load out. As we can see, get rid of them and add the new loading animations. So you always have loading animation equals something, loadout animation equals something. And this is the name of the animation. This one has an overlay. Let's take a look at how does that work. Refresh. So it's kind of like a curtain coming up and down. Now we can change this top to be bottom. I don't recommend writing. I recommend always coming here and copy pasting, but this will work as well. So now it's coming down from the bottom, and let's change the duration to be, I don't know, a little bit slower, just for the fun of it.